Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set your hourly rate on Go. Here's a detailed guide on how to set your hourly rate on Go. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Guru account. So open your browser and go to www.guru.com and click on login in the top right corner of your screen. Enter your email address and password and click on login to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile picture, which is in the top right corner, and click on edit profile from the drop down menu to go to your profile page. On your profile page, go ahead and look for the segment that says overview. So here you have public identity, where you have your screen name, website link, professional video link, Facebook link, LinkedIn link, and you have overview, where you have I am an individual or a company, and then you have tagline, you have bio, and you have work terms. So in the work terms section, as you can see, you have these parts that say hours of operation, payment terms, and preferred communication style. Now, this is where you're going to enter the amount you wish to charge per hour and the hours of operation. So ensure that you enter the amount you wish to charge per hour for your services. Enter the rate that reflects your skills. So ensure the rate reflects your skills, your experience, and the market demand for your services. Okay, so once you've entered this, ensure that it is detailed enough and click on save. And once you click on save, that's just going to be it. It's definitely going to be updated. So when clients hop or employers check your profile, they'll see the number of hours you're willing to work and the hourly rate. And of course, it will help them to make informed decisions, which may be favorable or may not be favorable. Now, after setting your hourly rate, keep an eye on the proposals you submit. Be open to adjusting your rate based on client feedback, project complexity, or the market trends. Now, by following these steps, you can effectively set your hourly rate on Go. Now, go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.